Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive in Carrera, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 986 that I've done the roof to install now. All back together. Today I'm doing the actual ECU waterproof case. It's called a customer bought it for me to fit to the car. So it's called Specialized ECU Repair Immobilizer waterproof case for a 996 and a Boxster 986. Alright, that's the cover. This is the ECU. I took it off. You got to remove the ECU off the actual board. The original board is here. That's the original board. And all you got to do is unclip the sort of clips here. There's one, two, few clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then just use a screwdriver to pry on this corner here, and then take the cover off. Once you take the cover off, then you can just take this straight out. Just slide straight out. Just slide up off the cover, the bottom cover. So now I'm going to put this in here. It just goes in here like that. So if you look inside there, there's two lugs here. 1, 2 inside the actual the bottom cover, which goes through those two holes there. One there and one there. Like that, as you can see, they're both in. Now it's sitting properly. All you gotta do is run the wiring, put the wiring, connect the wiring into here, connect the other wiring into there, put some silicone here, put some silicone here, put a bit of silicone in there to hold the board in if you want to, a little bit there. Then you put the cover on, and that's pretty much it. Cover goes on top here. Put some silicone there if you want, seal it all up. Then you put the cover on like that on top, and then just put the screws. Comes the screws as well there. There's a screw. There's screws there. There's a silicone LTV. Comes with the actual socket as well to take the seat out. And the fuse, some have, some don't, so this one here didn't have it. There's a fuse there. You see the fuse. If there's a fuse on the actual board, you see the fuse just here in the middle there. But there's no fuse on this one, so you don't need the wire. All right. Once you do that, once you finish, just put that little lug there. It's gonna go into here, and that one there, got to go into there, here. But you got to use the old one, the old lock. Take the old lock of the old ECU, and then it's got to line it up with this, and you lock it in. All right. Let me just do the finish what I said, what I explained, and then I'll do another. And I'll just press pause now, and I'll come back and then show you guys. All right. Number one, let's do this together. I had to tape it up, so if you have some nice harness tape, please tape it up, make it look nice like that. Yeah, before it was all over the place. So put some harness tape. Number two, we're going to fit this first. So we are going to put that little lug there into this hole here. So like that, put it underneath, like that, sort of like you feel it go in. Okay, the little lug that's in the hole, you sort of got to go in an angle and then slide it in. Reservoir, you can know if you want to know it, so you can just lift it up here. You can't lift it up. All right, number two, we're going to use the lock from factory into here. So you take it off the old ECU. This one here, you just put it in there like that. Flat blade screwdriver. Just like that. Sorry. See that? Just turn a little bit, and then when it stops, stop, otherwise you break it. See, now the whole thing is secure. Number two, put the ECU in. So you can take this one off if you want. You can just take that 10mm there off the actual harness. Make it easier. Why don't we take that off, make it easier? But much better to show the video. Okay, I've taken the wire, that earth off, so now you've got more room to see. Alright, next up, we don't have a fuse here, so you don't need to worry about this one. Some have fuse, some don't have a fuse. Alright, so now you just got to slide in there, like I said before. 2 little lugs, those two there is going to go into that. One there and one there. 2 little holes there. Straight on, just like that, see? That's on. Now we're going to put our ECU. But what I usually do, I put the actual plug in. I plug both plug that one and that one there, power wire and the signal wires, plug into the ECU, then put the ECU in, much easier. Make sure you push that little plug all the way to here, then you fit it in, and then that will just bear with me because I've got one hand to do the camera and one hand to do this. See how the thing goes in like that? Once it goes in like that, then you just grab it here. Alright, like that, and you just sort of push it in, and then the lever comes to the middle by itself, and then you just grab it like that, and that's on. See? Take it off, that little tab there, you push the little tab down before you move that lever, the white lever, down to here. Alright, that's on now. Now we can put the other one. Okay, there you go, they're both on now. Don't worry, they're both the same. Sorry, I mean they only go one way, so you can't put it on the wrong way. That's that one and that one. Alright, now you just put it on, like I said before. So, one into here. There you go, the 2 holes line up, so you can see the little lugs there. So it's pretty much there. You sort of got to bend the wires a little bit just to make it fit properly. So most important one is actually this one here, so you can see the hole. So when it's in, that's in. Alright. Okay, once you got to this stage here, what you're going to do now is lift it a little bit up like that, so you can put some silicone around here. Some silicone there, same on this side here, lift that a little bit, put some silicone there, and then you bring it up down and line it up again, like that. I'll show you like that. And then you put some more silicone on top here, 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 and then all around. Here, here, here. Alright? And then you put the lid on, and then do it up. And that's it. Put the screws on, there's some screw there. Comes with the screws. Put it on, and then you're pretty much done. Alright, let me put some silicone. There you go. Start off with this one here. Put a bit of silicone there, put as much as you can, don't worry too much about the actual. You better have more, so when you put the wire, it actually covers the whole lot. So don't just put as much as you can, because the excess will just come out and go to the. Some will come to here and some will go into there. Don't worry about it. Just put as much as you can to protect the hole from the water getting in. See what I mean? Once you get that, put it back in again, and then now I put some more here on top. Put some more here. And then we'll sort of just go here a little bit there. Here, here. Oops. It's hard to do it with one hand, because usually when you hold a camera, it's harder. Okay, here as well. I think that's pretty much it. A bit more here, a bit more there. Don't worry if you put too much, it doesn't matter. Put as much as you can, because once you put the cover on, we'll seal it in there. Alright, Once you put the cover on, see that? It's pretty much here, all around there, all around here. Now I'm going to put the cover on. I need 2 hands for that. There you go. Sorry I didn't pause the video, I think I had it on. Anyway, but just put 2 screws on first. And then start the car, make sure the car starts first before you put the rest on. Okay, let me see that. Just use your remote. Yep. To me that looks like it's connected properly, but just start it up anyway. All good. Now, okay, that looks pretty good to me. So now just put all the screws back on, and when they're tight, just nip it up a little bit, and that's it. Don't go overboard, otherwise you'll crack the housing. All right, but that's the installation. I hope this will help people out there. Please hit the subscribe button or share my videos. If you have a Porsche 996 in a 986 Boxster or 996 911, not sure if this will fit on a, no, actually 987 is different shape altogether. All right, they got parking sensors and all that. So, but this is the 996 986 waterproof casing for your car. Get it done just in case you have a water damage. Man, the water damage will ruin this, and this is so expensive to actually get, because once you ruin that, again, you have to get 2 new keys and the ECU. It will cost you a fortune. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.